Which is your favorite? Is it chocolate bread or wheat bread? Let me know in the comments which one you love so much and the reason why you love that. Today's video is all about chocolate bread or brown bread. Okay, let's get started. First off, we want to activate our yeast. So we need some warm water, sugar, and then the yeast. It's always good to activate your yeast so that you know that you are getting the best. Okay, if you have a bad yeast, you are going to be wasting all the other ingredients. So make sure you do this stage first and then leave it, cover it, and let it activate before you use it for your any bakery kind of thing. Okay, it's very important. Over here is bread flour or hard flour, some nutmeg, sugar, and then our unsweetened cocoa powder and some margarine. All the measurements are going to be in the description. So I added some milk, and this is how good our yeast look. Just pour everything on it, and then we will mix this with a spatula. If you do not have a hand mixer, just go ahead and do it this way until you're able to form a dough. If you have a hand mixer or a stand mixer, just go ahead and use that. Okay, yes, just go ahead and use that, and you mix this and ensure that everything is very well mixed, and then you transfer it onto a work surface where I'm going to be kneading. Yes, you have to knead your dough very well, because this is going to help form the gluten. Yes, so I do not want a lot of flour, otherwise it is going to change the taste of my bread. So what I did here is to use the margarine on my work surface, and I'm going ahead to knead this, and I'll show you the results. What I really want, I want a very good, I did this for about say 30-35 minutes here, and you can see everything is just fine. Put it back in your bowl, and I'm going to cover this, and I'll allow it to double or even triple. Yes, okay, so cover this, and after some few minutes, this is what we have here. I'm just going to put this on the work surface again, and I'll pat it into my desired shapes and sizes. Okay, yes, just make sure you just, if you don't have a weighing scale, just gauge it. If you see one part is bigger than the other, just take some parts from that and then add it to the others until you are able to get a desirable size. Okay, yes, so you can see it stretched so well without breaking. Okay, so you are going to have the perfect bread right here. All you are going to do at this stage, okay, is just to put them into your desired shapes and sizes. This is all you have to do here. So I want it this way. That's how come I'm using this style. Okay, if you're enjoying this video to this very stage and you haven't subscribed or liked this video, what are you waiting for? I know this video is very helpful, so do not forget to like, share, and also comment. Okay, yes, comment as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, do well to hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on any video I'll post in the future, and click on that bell notification icon. It's so important. Okay, yes, so at this stage I'm just getting my sizes right and everything just in shape like this. Now look at this. I'm going to cover this, and I'll allow it to also at least double a little, because when you put it in the oven it's going to double. So I just want it to have a little rise. Then I'm pushing this into the oven. After a few minutes our bread is done. Okay, yes, so I'm just putting this margarine on it so it can give it the shine that I want, and I'm going to leave this to cool a little before I serve it. Okay, so you can see everything is well cooked, and like I said, all the measurements are going to be in the description, so do well to read the description to get all the details you need to make this. Okay, it's so important to read the description. And also do not forget to follow me on my other social media platforms, which will be linked in the description as well. Okay, so that we can get connected everywhere. Okay, yes, so this bread, it's so soft and it tastes so good. Okay, it is good. I know you come back to tell me you enjoyed every bit of it. Okay, and so if you want to know how to make wheat bread, then that will be linked in the description. You can go and then follow that up, and I also have amazing sugar bread recipes that would also be linked in the description. So don't worry if you want to make any bread. I'm linking all of that in the description for you so you can get your hand on those amazing videos. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.